Hello, this is Mr. Mack again. Elephants have the longest pregnancy of mammals. One species of elephants has a mean gestation period of 525 days and a standard deviation of 32 days. Pregnancy lengths follow an approximately normal distribution. All right, so we have 525 days here. And if we add 32, that gives us 557 at one standard deviation, and add 32 again, that gives us 589, and 32 more would be a 1, a 2, and a 6, 621. If we subtract 32 from 525, we have a 3, a 9, and a 4. Subtract 32, we get 461, and subtract 32 again, we get an 8, a 2, and a 4. So those are the standard deviations unit. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, -1, -2, -3 standard deviations. Okay, now the longest 16% of elephant pregnancies last at least how many days? Well, between 0 and 1 standard deviation, there's 0.34, and so there's 16% to the right of 1 standard deviation, and so that would be 557 days. The middle, 68% of all elephant pregnancies last between, well, that's from -1 standard deviation to +1, so it's 493 to 557. 13, only 2.5% of all elephant pregnancies last longer than. Now, 2.5% is to the right of 2 standard deviations, so we would say 589 here. What percent of elephant pregnancies last less than 461? Now that again, 461 is here. There's 2.5% less than that, so 2.5%. What percent of elephant pregnancies last between 525 days and 557 days? That is 0.34 or 34%. What percent of elephant pregnancies last between 493 and 589? Okay, now on that one, let's do a little more work here. So from 493 to 525 is 0.34, because that's 1 standard deviation, half of 68%. And then from 525 to 589, that's half of 95, which is 47.5% or 0.475. And when we add these two together, we get 81.5%. So it's 81.5% for number 16. And what percent of elephant pregnancies last less than 557 days? All right, once again, from 557 down to 525 is 0.34, and then from 525 on down is 0.5. So when we add those together, we get 84%. So we'll stop here.